Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Oh, first, sorry, you can. Okay. So I got myself into trouble. Can I say I challenged myself or I was challenged? Okay, someone said I can't do it in hours, probably to take me days. $500 pieces puzzle. It's going to go on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Try survive. Yeah, so I got myself into trouble. Like I said, I posted it on Instagram and WhatsApp in the evening. I got myself into trouble of solving this 500 pieces puzzle. Yeah, she said I can't do it. Actually, she said she knows I can't do the person who challenged me. I'll be doing that this midnight. You know, since the pandemic started, this bros up here has just been watching Netflix and playing around. It's time to test our limits. I think it's a good challenge, but I'm going to be honest with the challenge. No one touches this table till I'm done, and I'm not going to sleep till I'm done. And I'll show you now when I'm opening it, when I'm tearing it, so you see the number of pieces that is true. So the reason why I got this white paper is for me to divide the pieces according to the colors, even though I don't know where they're going to be, but I first divide according to the colors and separate them out. The last piece that completes the edges, apparently. It was around 1:34 when I finished separating, and now I'm done with the edges at 2:23. You can see it's still dark outside. 2:23, and now I'm going to start filling up the spaces. So it took me almost an hour to complete the edges. It's 2:23 and I'm quite tired a bit, my back's pain. I'm already ready to tap out. Now it gets harder actually because I don't have smooth edges to look for again. I have to start looking for the pieces themselves. And I still have some biscuit left and water. Now it's 3:51. This puzzle. As you can see, I still have a long way to go. I'm trying to finish this side up, and this part is looking impossible. Actually, it's 5:25 in the morning already, and it's already getting bright outside. With that, I don't think I've even gone halfway. As you can see, it's totally morning. It's 7:16 or so, and I'm practically done, almost done. My eyes are heavy. I have a headache. I'm weak. I know my brain is tired. But just a little more. Why do I feel like the pieces are deliver. I started at around 1:04 and I ended 8:06, making it 7 hours. 7 hours, 2 minutes. I'm tired. Jeez, I have to tape it today. If you haven't subscribed,